Peace. What's going on, guys? How y'all doing? Hope you're having a good day. If you didn't already know and you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. But I want to let you know I'm a big fan of gaming. So I actually purchased the cheapest Xbox One controller that you can actually purchase. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Make sure you guys stay locked in with me, and I'll see you guys right after this. Okay, guys, we got the package here. Xbox in the back. We're gonna throw that on play in a few minutes, but let's just go ahead and see what this thing looks like. Okay, so it's actually from a company that I've never seen before, PDP, and it says Xbox One and Windows, the green variant. You can actually use this thing on your headphone jack. This is what we wanted. You also get the vibration. You also get something right here. I'm not sure what that means, but it does have a plug. That's the only downside. This isn't Bluetooth, but it's less than $40. All the other ones were like $70, $80. I wasn't trying to pay that much, but look at this right here. They give you the bottom portion right here, which we want. That's the 3.5mm headphone jack. They're actually pointing out the D-pad here, and they're pointing out down below beneath. We're gonna have another type of thing going here, but the motors are right here on the bottom. Let's go ahead, open this up, plug and play, see what this is about. So all I'm gonna do is take a slice at the top right here where the tape is at. Okay, that was clean. We got one more on this side. Okay, perfect. All right, let's go ahead, see what's inside of here. Packaging looks pretty new, like no one ever used it before. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, that's everything that's in there. So we're basically greeted with the do not return this product to store, the PDP wired controller. You get customize your controller easily, update firmware, and tailor your gaming experience to your own preference. You also get the pdp.com website. Windows 10, it's going to be compatible with Xbox and Windows 10. Type A cord, which we can just plug and play. Now, there is no battery pack or anything like that with this thing. You literally have to plug it at the top right there. So you can see that easily will plug in. See how this thing feels in my hand. It's actually a nice size here. It's got the grips. PDP. This thing is sweet because it's translucent. So if I were to compare both of these controllers to each other, this button is actually bigger. This button, it's more bold, it's more pronounced, it's bigger. You can see it's more sloped here and goes down. This goes through the icon right there. So getting the branding here. This one's also translucent. You can see the grip is worn off of here, so whatever grip it did have is now gone, but these have pronounced grip on each joystick. And turning it down to the bottom, this is the big difference right here. You need that piece right here, that converter. That's how they get you, that's how they lock you in. These are probably my favorite headphones as far as portability and just ease of use. That's all we need right there. So let's just get going. So if you take a look at the backs, you can see the new one has the 3-screw design on the back of it, and this one has the battery case in the back of it. We're also getting screws here across the controller. This one doesn't have any of that. It's just all clean on the back, so that's how you can tell the difference. Also, the top, let me just show you the top, is a little bit different. This one may be a little bit, they're about the same exact size and dimensions actually. Alright, so the earbuds are actually in, guys, and this controller actually feels really smooth. The controller is legit, and it's working really nice with the headphones too. feel every bounce and tremble of the engine inside of here. They did a really good job of cloning this thing. I'm not sure how they did it, but it's identical to, as far as performance, to the real one.
Get that bike back. Sit it down. Oh, we gotta lay low. Hit the bike and meet me at the car wash on Innocent.
Alright, well that just about does it. But what I gotta say is, if you're looking for a 3.5mm headphone jack controller to replace your old one with just the adapter, this one is by far the best option to go with, unless you're absolutely stuck on Bluetooth. But overall, I gotta recommend this, and I gotta give it a 9 out of a 10, only because it's missing Bluetooth. So hit the bell so you can get notified for more videos just like this. But I'll check you guys later. Peace.